Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire refrigerator is not cooling properly, the food can spoil quickly and both the freezer and the fridge may struggle to maintain safe temperatures. So in today's video, I will show you how you can fix this particular problem step by step. So first of all, you need to start by checking the refrigerator and the freezer temperature control. Sometimes the settings may accidentally adjusted, especially after cleaning or power outages. So over here, you just have to simply make sure that the fridge is are set around 37 degree Fahrenheit and the freezer is set near 0 degree Fahrenheit for proper cooling performance. Now, sometimes dusty or clogged condenser coils can also reduce the cooling efficiency significantly. So you just have to simply locate the coils, which is usually underneath the or behind the refrigerator, and then you just have to simply clean them thoroughly using a vacuum or coil brush to improve the heat transfer. After doing so, sometimes you just have to simply take a look at the airflow inside the refrigerator. So blocked vent air can prevent the cold air from circulating properly between the compartments. So you need to avoid overpacking shelves, especially near the rear vents, so that the cold air can move freely throughout the appliance. Now, heavy frosting accumulation on the evaporator can also signal a defrost system problem. So if the frost block airflow, the refrigerator may cool poorly even though the compressor is running. Now you need to also make sure that the evaporator fan, the condenser fan and the compressor are also operating normally. So you need to keep these things in mind and clean everything and do as I've told you. So this way you will be able to easily fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.